Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to write cross-platform apps in Python using the Kivy library. I am using VS Code for writing my Python apps. I hope that you have installed the VS Code and also the Python interpreter. So before writing any Kivy program or any cross-platform program in Python, we need to install certain libraries. So the process is a little bit complicated than installing any other libraries. You can directly check it from the website of the Kiwi, that is the kiwi.org. You can consult, for simplicity, you can consult my Medium page for which I have given the description, the link in the description. Now, let me tell you the steps you need to follow directly from the website of the Kiwi. So go to kiwi.org and then click on the Get Started and click on the Installing Kiwi. Now over here, it can be installed on multiple platforms. Since I'm using Windows, I will click on the option for the Windows. Now, before installing any libraries, we need to create the virtual environment. Now, the steps for the virtual environment, if you are a Python programmer, you should already know it. Now, let me install the virtual environment. So it can be activated by saying python -m vnv and then the directory where I want to create the virtual environment. So this will create a virtual environment for me on my Windows machine. Now, once the virtual environment is created, I need to activate it, and I will activate it by the activate command, which is in the scripts folder of the virtual environment folder. So I will say venv scripts and activate. Now this venv can be any directory name. This is up to you. Whatever directory name you want to give it to your virtual environment. Now once I activate it, it will change the prompt and you will see over here name of the virtual environment. Now if I want to know which libraries are currently installed, I will give the command pip freeze and it gives me nothing because no library has have been installed until now. Now for the installation of the required libraries, I will either go to the Kiwi main website, that is the kiwi.org, and follow the steps given over here. So the first thing that I need to install are these two libraries, that is the Kiwi base and the Kiwi examples. I will just copy it and paste it in my VS Code terminal. Now this will install the required directories, the required libraries in my virtual environment. It is also suggesting to upgrade my pip. Let me also upgrade my pip over here, although it is not necessary, but I will upgrade it. Now let me check what other libraries I need to install. So the next library that I need to install is the pillow, which is given over here in the next line. I will just copy it and paste it in my terminal. It will install. It is already satisfied. So, and if you are confused with so many text in this document, you can go to my Medium page, and in my on my Medium page, from there you can install the required libraries. Now, after installing the libraries, the next step is to write my program. Now I will let me Now to check which libraries have been installed, I will again give the pip freeze command. And if I give this command, you will see a number of libraries that have been installed. Now, in addition to the libraries, there is an example app which has also been installed with this. And you can check the demo app by giving the command which is given on my video page, Python venv. Then this venv is the folder name that you have given. You can change it as per your requirement and then share Kivy examples. So this is the URL for checking the sample app. Now let me try it. So I will just copy and paste it, and that's it. So this is the sample app that comes with the installation. Now let me write my first app, and the in this app this will be a Python file. So I will go to my courses, to my folder, then click on the new file, and over here I will say hello.app, sorry, hello.py. Now I will say, first of all, I have to import the Kivy. Then I have to import from Kivy.app, import app from Kivy.uix.label, import label, and then class my app and give the argument of the app, and then define, there is a function build with the argument of self, and over here I will just return a label, and the label, sorry, with the text equal hello world. So this is a very simple app that displays the message hello world on the screen, and to run it I need to give it the main entry point for my app, and I will say if name underscore name is equal to underscore main underscore, then my app dot run. So this is the basic structure of a Kivy app. Now let me run it. So I will run it as we run other Python apps. So I will say hello.py. Now let us check, and that's it. So you have your first cross-platform app developed in Python using Kivy. So stay connected. I will give you some more. We will go deep into Python, into developing cross-platform apps in the Python. Thank you very much for watching.